Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Dense Stocks and Business. Here I discuss about the last week analysis of the Indian stock market. So, welcome to all and do follow and subscribe my channel for the informations. I was in a bit late to do the market analysis, and it's today is Monday, and it's the market has again restarted after the 2 days of off. So I was going to talk about the last week analysis. It was a phenomenal week was gone, and the huge returns in almost all stocks, and the bank index has performed exceptionally well on last week. And the market also has crossed, the census has crossed 41k, and the Nifty has tested the 12,000k also. So interestingly, today also it's a phenomenal start as the market has started. The market has started a huge gap up opening today on the basis of the US election, because the Joe Biden has elected as president, and the market has welcomed this result very positively. I think the census has opened around 1000 level, 1000 points gap up, and the Nifty has opened 100 points of gap up, and the Nifty has, I think, reached the 52-week high today as well, and it's now trading, I think, 12,500 level. It was opened 12,400 today as well, and still they are slight below the all-time highs, but very soon I think the index is going to reach this one. So it was a phenomenal start, and let's go back and do the slight analysis of the market which performed last week. So last Monday the market has closed very positively, but the indices has both the census and Nifty had a minor gains. They gained around 0.36% gain only. But the real thing, even the census had a slight gain. The bank Nifty had performed exceptionally well on that day. The bank index has gained 4.15% gain on that day. So obviously the main banking stocks all have a very good result, very good gain on that day. So let's check some stocks. The IndusInd Bank had a gain of 7.28% on that day, and ICICI Bank have 6.33% gain. Axis Bank has 6.12% gain, and HDFC Bank has 6.10% gain. So almost the main banks has more than 5% gains on that day itself. And interestingly, on this occasion, the Reliance have a negative impact on that market that day. They had lost more than 8.62% after a long time, and their price level has down to 2000, and it was trading on that day 1877 level. Interestingly, the another competitor in Reliance Jio, the Reliance mobile company, the Airtel had gained 5.48%, where the Jio has lost the huge percentage on that day. Coming on to Tuesday, the market again was on positive. The market has been positive gains in the whole trading days, and on Tuesday even the indices also had a very good returns. Both the indices had above 1.20% gains. Interestingly, the bank Nifty had followed the trend from the Monday. In Monday they had a gain of over 4%, and they continued on Tuesday with 3.17% gain. And again, ICICI Bank had gained 6.32% gain on Tuesday as well. So from Monday to within 2 days, the ICC bank had over 12% gain. It was a good stock last week. And interestingly, the State Bank of India, it had 44% gain on Tuesday, and it comes up the level of 200. The price level has coming up 200. And on Tuesday as well, the Reliance had lost again 1.44%. And there is a news from the world, the IPO. It's related about. I was talked about the Ant IPO last week video. Ant Group means it's owned by Alibaba, the Alibaba company, the Jack Ma's company. They are planned to do the IPO. It was a blockbuster IPO, double IPO, where they're going to listed going on Shanghai Index and the Hong Kong Index. But interestingly, there was a news on Tuesday. The China government has suspended the Ant's IPO, which was a bad result on last week. So coming on to some quarter result, the Sun Pharma has provided their quarter result on Tuesday, and their profit has surged 70%, and it's reached to they gained 1,813 crore rupees on last quarter. And the news about S Bank, they are in talk with ARCs to sell their NPAs worth over rupees 32,000 crore. And interestingly, the whole week was focused on the US election, and there was a lot of uncertainty. Even the Joe Biden has clear edge of leading. Even the uncertainty was going on the whole week. And last Tuesday was the US election conducted, and the uncertainty was continued on the whole week. And at last, the Joe Biden has elected as a president 2 days before. And even though Trump has not willing to concede his loss, and he going to file the lawsuit, everything, but the market has welcomed the result phenomenally. That was we can see today, and last week's positiveness also. So move on to Wednesday. The Nifty and Sensex again had a minor gains, and on the same day the Nifty also gained, and they also have minor gains. But in Nifty IT index has gained a little over edge on that day. They gained 1.78% gain on that day. But on Wednesday as well, the banking stocks, the stocks of banking, even though bank index has a minor gains, banking stocks has continued the performance. So the IndusInd Bank again, they gained 4.86% gain. And move on some other stocks. Sun Pharma, they produced the quarter result on there. So they performed 3.92% gain. And Divis Lab has 3.44% gain on Wednesday. After the 2 days of losses and huge losses, Reliance come back strongly with 3.39% on Wednesday. And my favorite, the Infosys had gone down a little bit from the highs, but it was hang on this one 1060, 1111, and they gained 2.96% on Wednesday. And some stocks has losses on Wednesday, which is UPL. They lost 3.76%, and HDFC they gained they lost to minus 2.1%, and the Hindalco minus 1.81% loss. And interestingly, the Axis Bank has also lost minus 1.68%, and Power Grid Corporation had a loss of 1.58%. On Wednesday, there was a quarter result announced by State Bank of India, and their profit has surged to 52%, and they gained 4,574 crore levels. Their net interest income increases to rupees 28,181 crore rupees. And there was an IPO news again in the Indian stock market. The Gland Pharma company, the Gland Pharma Limited, they're going to open their IPO on November, which is today, and they're going to close on 11th November. Their issue size is 6,479.55 crore rupees issue size, and their issue price is going to be 1,490 rupees with the lot size of 10. And the issue comprises the fresh issue of 1,250 crore and the offer for sale, which means OFS of 34 lakhs 8,630 34 lakh 863,635 equity shares. So move on to the Thursday, which again had a positive gains in the market, and both Nifty and Sensex had almost gained 2% gain. Bank Nifty had continued the trend again. They gained over 2% gain on that day. Even IT index also had 1.33% gain on Thursday as well. And the banking stocks, which means SBI, State Bank of India, had 5.63% gain on Thursday, and IndusInd Bank also had 5.36% gain. The another stocks which had gained huge returns on that day, which is Hindalco 15% gain, and Tata Steel 5.35% gain. BPCL, which had 5% gain as well. And on Thursday, we could see there is a news about WhatsApp Pay. The NPCI, which gives approval for WhatsApp to go live on the WhatsApp Pay on UPI in a graded manner. So through WhatsApp we could go for the payments like Paytm something. And you heard about the Zomato. Everyone knows what's Zomato company. They are an online food delivery company, and they are going to introduce their blockbuster IPO around in 2021 with the help of Kodak Mahindra Capital. And go on to the last week market analysis. On Friday, the Nifty and Sensex had 1.20% above gain, and the bank and index has continued the momentum again with gains of 1.85% gains. The Nifty IT had a minor gains around 0.50% gain also. And on Friday, the stocks had performed, which is again the Reliance had come back to strongly about 2000 level, and with the gains of 3.79% gain. And again IndusInd Bank, which had 3.39% gain, and HDFC Bank has 3.3% gain as well. Kodak Mahindra has 2.54% gain on that day. Bajaj Finserv has 3.82% on Friday as well. But interestingly, the Maruti Suzuki has had a loss of 2.66% on Friday, and followed by the Gale also 1.89% loss. Where the Reliance has come back to positive, the Airtel has lost again. So this is an interesting factor, and Airtel has 1.62% loss also, and Ultratech 7 has 1.34% losses. Asian Paints also had a loss of 1.31%. And there was some quarter result as well on Friday. The ITC has produced the quarter result, and it was not a good sign. They had the profit losses of 20% and reached to 3,232 crore. But interestingly, the FMCG, the fast moving consumer goods sector, has jumped to their profit level to 15%, where the ITC had a loss of 20%. And the Cipla company also had produced their quarter result, and their profit obviously reached to 38% and 662 crore rupees gains, and their India sales was up 17% as well. And the SEBI, the market regulator, had introduced the code of conduct for the mutual fund managers and deals as well on the last week, so which had a phenomenal changes in the mutual fund category as well. So these were the market analysis which I had gone through the market last week, and it was it's all. So to conclude the week, the Nifty had a gain of 5.3% gain in the last week, and the Census had 5.8% gain the whole week. And interestingly, as we mentioned, the bank index has performed phenomenally well, and it gives 12% return on last week. That was exceptional gains. And the Nifty IT had a normal gains of 3.2% gain as well. So I hope you all enjoy the analysis of the last week, and you maybe go through as well. And it was my studies on the last week, and I delivered to you, which may be good for you as well. So stay in the market positively in this week, and hope you have a good analysis on next week. Do let me know your comments on my comment section, and please do share and follow and support. Your support I needed as well. So see you on next week. Bye.